In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy options on ThinkorSwim Mobile App. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top right and search for the options that you want to trade. So, for example, if I go with NVIDIA right now, I'm just going to type in NVDA. There we go. And from here, you can see on the far right of your asset, it says option chain. You want to tap on option chain, and it's going to open up the option chain for that specific asset. From here, you first have to select a date. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a random date, like maybe the 2nd of April over here. And whenever you do that, you can select whichever option you want to purchase, of course, or buy or trade, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to press on a random one over here for this tutorial. I'm on my paper trading account here on the demo account, but of course you can do this on your real account as well. Then whenever you've done that, basically go to the bottom and tap on trade. And from here, you can see it's going to open up your order. Now, on the left, if it doesn't say buy, you can switch between sell and buy. So you can just make it buy like this. And then you can select the type of your order, either if you want market, limit, stop, or whatever. I'm just going to do market. Then you can select your quantity. Let's do 15 for this. And then you can see the cost of your trade and the account as well. If everything looks good, you can just press on review at the bottom right. And now from here, you can see kind of everything going on. And if everything looks good, you can just press on trade bottom right yet again, and that is going to buy that specific option for you. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.